Looking to earn some extra cash and reach your financial goals faster? Online surveys are the answer. Discover the top legitimate survey sites like Branded Surveys, MyPoints, HeyPiggy, Prime Opinion, FreeCash, Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, Inbox Dollars, CashKick, and Opinion Outpost. Each platform has its own availability, age requirements, and payment methods, so you can choose the one that suits you best. When deciding on survey sites, consider factors such as reputation, survey quantity, and payout methods. To maximize your earnings, make sure to complete profiles thoroughly, take advantage of free offers, and prioritize surveys with the highest payout rates. Follow best practices such as creating a separate email address, taking breaks, and installing antivirus software to protect your privacy. Be cautious of warning signs that may indicate potentially illegitimate survey sites, such as membership fees, lack of customer reviews, requests for private information, and difficult qualification processes. Remember, surveys for money are legitimate and typically only take about 15 to 20 minutes to complete. Some sites even offer instant cash or signing bonus points as incentives. Companies value your opinions and pay for your feedback to gather valuable market research and consumer insights. Start making money today by taking online surveys.